quick instruction on how to use Adobe Photoshop's adaptive wide-angle filter to eliminate the barrel distortion that's present in all fisheye images. After bringing your image into Adobe Camera Raw, go to the Optics panel and unclick Use Profile Corrections. Then click on Open to bring your image into Adobe Photoshop. Go to Filter, Adaptive Wide-Angle Filter to bring up the filter workspace. Change the correction to fisheye. Reduce the scale to bring the entire image into view. Click on the Constraint tool in the upper left-hand corner. Look for a line that you know should be straight and extends over a large fraction of the image, say the edge of this elevator door. Draw a line from one end of that elevator door to the other. Then click on the square that appears in the middle and drag it until the line you just drew matches the curve of the elevator door. Now you know that elevator door is vertical, so right-click on the line and select Vertical. Now look for a horizontal line. There aren't too many good horizontal lines in this image, but I know that the two elevator doors are directly across from each other in this hall, so I can draw a line from one elevator door to the same location on the other elevator door, and I know that that line should be straight and it should be horizontal. Now look for any other straight lines that aren't necessarily vertical or horizontal. Say the edge of the ceiling. Click at one point on that line, draw all the way to the other end, and that line becomes straight. Now just continue adding lines. Everywhere you see a straight line that doesn't look straight, you can add another line and force that line to be straight. And just keep going and going. When you finally get the picture to look the way you like, having added as many or as few lines as needed to accomplish your effect, start to increase the scale to get rid of a lot of that transparent area around the edge of the picture. Some of that area can be filled in with the content aware fill. Sometimes you just want to crop the image out. So once you're done, click OK. Then in this case, I'm just going to use the crop tool to get rid of the transparent areas. And we're done. I hope this is helpful.